Oh, wala ka namang secret girlfriend, James?
Sorry?
Wala ka namang secret girlfriend?
No.
Oo, so you're unattached.
Yes.
Ikaw din, single ka rin ba, Nads? So may possibility rin ba if na ano, halimbawa maligaw sa iyo si James? May chance ba siya? Push! Hashtag push. Nads,
Push.
pwede bang ma-push if ever?
It depends. Kung maliligaw siya.
Oo. May chance ba siya if ever? Kasi bilang ano na, di ba, lagi kayong close na kayo. Pinupush kayo ng fan, ng mga jaded fans. Ano?
Sige, push. Sige.
Pwede, may chance.
Meron.
Oo, okay. Ito, last na. How does it feel na dito nga kayo sa ABS, you're being compared to, syempre yung hottest love team, teen love team na Katniel. Tapos medyo nag-aaway-away din yata yung fans niyo minsan. How does it feel na kayo yung parang, after them, kayo, kino-compare nila kayo sa Katniel?
Well, I guess it's normal naman po na mag-compare sila. Kasi since love team din sila and teens din, kami rin ni James. So, I don't know. It's okay for me. It's actually very... It's... Maganda siya eh. Kasi Katniel is... Maganda yung ano nila eh. Maganda yung reputation ng love team nila eh. And then kami, we're just starting. So, yeah.
Oo. Si James.
For me, it's really flattering. I mean, sila yung pinakamalakas na love team, teen love team out there. And, they're comparing us to that. So, does that mean they're saying that we're at their level?
Yes, parang ganun ang level.
So, yeah, it's really flattering. And,
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Alan D. And with that, mabilisan lang, message from our director, writer, and Joseph, you had to excuse him yata. Joseph, unahin mo na. Pasalamatan mo na mga press na for coming today.
Yes, gusto ko